travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Hey everybody, it's Pro Trader Mike, Mojo Day Trading Room video recap for July 26th. Everybody's looking for something. VLTC got small left, just an eighth of a position left. They just took it right here above 870. So we're looking good on that one right there. Intel, we did a trade on that from 18. There was a signal at 17, 18, got filled, went right to 22, sold it there within 2 minutes. So, you know, you can wait 10 minutes for a longer trade, or you can buy some shares in a couple of minutes, and I'm good with that 4 cents. Let's see where Intel is now. Intel's 36, so big deal. We missed on that, but I had 2,000 shares, so made on that. Intel's nice, good job. The VLTC, we bought it at 840, 845, 47, 48, 49. We just sold it above 60 at 65 and 72. I got a little tiny bit left on VLTC. VLTC, see, Intel's a little higher. Don't have, but this one is higher also, and we got some of that left. So that's 877. Here's the trade we did on MNOV this morning, right here at the open. MNOV from the open, right here at 450. Went to 535. That was a beautiful move. Here's the trade on that. So right out at the open, MNOV was our first one, right there at 450. Entry number 2, we got right there, filled 453. And we started scaling out 474. 494, and then we Heinzed it from 497 to 506, and then it went to 533. JNUG we bought right here. We're going to look to go through $9. JNUG entry is right now. We're going to do first one is 865. The next one is number 2 right there at 835, and now we're selling at 868. 895, we're flat on JNUG. And then we went into silver with PAAS at 650, and we sold it at 656 to 660, and we sold some at 660, and we sold some at 663, and we sold some at 665, and then we bought iTech right here. iTech flat at 819, but the average on iTech was right here, 500 at average 784. Sold 98 and 806, flat at 819. iTech again, 1766, signaled at 77, sold. And then we did the Intel, and that's how it works. So we did really, really nice on all those trades today. And from that, we have 22 traders that made between 1 to 5%, makes up about 43% of the room that took the poll. Another person made between 5 to 10%. 5 people that have not hit their goals. I've already addressed that with the people. And the other people also did really well. The great thing, again, is nobody loses money and lost money in the Mojo Room. These picks are easy to follow, very easy to trade. And we're done for the day at 9. It wasn't 9, it was 9:40 a.m. So we were done in 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes today, just from working for 10 minutes, we just did another 1 or 2 trades, so it added up a little bit more. Here's how we did for the day money-wise. Sweet, ain't it? Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Other rooms with the other moderators, some of them want to use you. They will do a pick and a trade, and then they'll give it to the room, and then they'll sell into the room, and it'll go right down. And we don't like to do that here. Alan made 1,510. Pro Trader Walsh made 633. Bill 251. Mary 515. Alex 300. DJ 1235. Stacy 650. Bassman 326. Clark 250. Jorge 380. Lewis 570. Heppy 60 on the first day. Kira 100. Brandon 322. Garza 320. Very nice day, everybody. That's how we rock and roll. And let me take a look at the rest of the stocks. We hit that to 980 on JNUG. We did great. Nugget for the swing. Let me show you what we did for the swing. You know, a lot of newsletters are in cash right now, and they're not playing the market. And if you're in a newsletter and you're not playing the stock market, then what are you doing? You're missing all these big winners. You should be in the MOJO Swing Trade newsletter that just went out today, Monday the 26th. This is the third update on Nugget right here. From Friday, okay, we sold 3/4 of Nugget into the high of 375, okay, because we bought it under 350 to the low right here of 306. So we had a great play. And what we did is we had these covered calls. We're going to buy back these covered calls right here. And we're going to look to resell these covered calls today. So it was a timing thing. If Nugget, we rebought these back. If it rebounded today, we were going to resell these, and we actually did do that. Let me show you the ones we did. We did these, the July $4 calls right here for 30 cents on the ask. So the stock right here was $3.95 right into the high of the day when I did that. And I sent this out right here, high 396 to do it at 394, 395 right there. And that was excellently done for a 6.06%. 6.06% ROI. Look when it expires on Friday. So if this stock is not above $4 on Friday, we just keep that 30 cents we just made, 30 cents, okay? 25, 30, that's a 6% gain in a week. That's what I'm talking about. And we own the stock at $3. We sold that $3.45. We own it at $3.45. I'll show you. We got a so right here, swing trading. Here's the portfolio. We have UVXY as our longest and biggest position in the portfolio. It's looking great to have the stock called away on August 7th. If it's above $28, we keep that premium of $2.25. JetPay, holding up fine in this market. MGNA, no problem. Nugget, we got this one at $4.95. We've got the $4.50 that expires for another 30 cents. I just told you that. And we've already done that several times. So the cost is actually not $4.95, but it is lower because we have collected these premiums on Nugget already. We've collected 25 cents. We've collected 45 cents. So it's 25 plus 45 is 70. We've collected a dime, and another dime is another 20. So that's 90 cents in premiums. So we own the stock at $4, plus we've made a profit here, 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 here. Here's another 30 cents. So we're up to $1.20 in premiums from $4.90. And then we profited again here, here, and here. So the $4.90 is actually represented by $1.20 lower in premiums. And it's $3.70, and the stock right now is $4 again. So it's just, and we have this $4.50 call. So it's just an amazing game that we're playing here with the market, really doing well. We've got some oil, just a little position includes this 3-buyer average. This one right here on UWTI. Right here includes this 3 buys and one. This is 191 average, 196. So that's right there. It's 150. Now we may do another one, but we'll see what happens. Stem we've got down 25%. Just 2 little buys, 244. No, this one is a stem. We're actually going to add on to this one. Not today though. And Acura we have is down 8, and this little one. These little picks from last week, I told you I've been sending out cash picks, picking stocks on the fly all month, trying to stay resilient, strong. And when things come up, we'll knock them out. These I just wanted to send out. They were little ones, 50, 80, 80 centers, just to throw a couple of bones at them, just like I told you, so we can have at least do something, not twiddle our thumbs. Oxy sure is even. And this is what we got in the swing portfolio. So we're looking really nice on that side. Love the swing. Love the nugget. Playing it like a champ. And what else we got? STLD went through $4. Called that in the room earlier. And that's just really it for a Monday. That's really, really it. Let's see what else we got. These are all the announcements I make in the room. Very easy to follow right here. I tell you how many shares we're going to buy for the average person. Then I tell you, and you can adjust for yourself. Then I tell you how many shares I got left, how many shares we're buying, when we get filled. Everything is time-stamped. It's very nice. Everybody did well today. So that's pretty much it. Pro Trader Mike's going to sign off. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll do the same exact thing. And we do this 20 days a month. Today we hit our goals, and here's how it works. 20 days a month to trade. Out of that, 3 to 4 days are your biggest. 10 days you hit your goal normally, and the other 6 to 7 are weird. Just got to stay above float and do well. That's your month. Happens like that every month. We got 3 days left of this month. Then we rinse and repeat, and we do it again for August. Pro Trader Mike's going to be signing off. Everybody keep it profitable. Peace, and I will see you tomorrow.